Dear parents, what if I told you that teaching a child to read is way easier than you could ever think or imagine? It's like wanting to go to your favorite destination. But before you can embark on that journey, you need to get the right guidance, you need to know the route that you should take, and of course, you need to know how long it's going to take you to get there. Teaching a child to read is no different. You need the right guidance, an expert who knows exactly how to get this done, and of course, an idea as to how long this journey might take. So, I can help you. I am Teacher Kaveen and I have been teaching children how to read for over 20 years, so I know the exact steps that you need to take to help your little one to learn to read by age 5. Yes, I've helped children age 4, age 3, and age 5 to become great readers. So fear not, you are in the right place, and I am going to show you exactly how to accomplish this. So, the first thing that you want to do is to help your little one to learn letter sounds, not the ABC song, because that's not going to help with reading. Words are made up of sounds, so you want your child to develop this acuteness to sounds, and you're going to do that through several activities. Key being phonemic awareness and, of course, letter sounds. Here is what you need to do first and foremost. Teach children these first 4 sounds, and I'm going to write them here: S, A, T, and E. These are the first 4 sounds that you want to teach your little one. Once you've done this, ensure that they can recall these sounds speedily. So like s, at, it, that fast, all right? The more practice they get, the better they're going to become. Once they're able to recall these sounds speedily, the next step is to have them combining these sounds into words. And I love to start with 2-letter words. So when I look at these 4 sounds, the first 2-letter word that I teach my students is, so at. Have your child recall the sounds at. Now help your child to combine these sounds, or what we call blending. So like this: at. Let the letters flow into each other in a smooth manner. At. Have your child repeat. At. Faster. At. Have your child repeat. At. And just like that, your child would learn to read his first word, the word at. Just like that. The next thing you want to do is look for other words that your child can learn. And right away, I'm seeing this word. So it's it. Have your child repeat it. Combine the sounds now. It. 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 The word is it. That's the second word. So look. At. It. Just like that. After learning only 4-letter sounds, your child can read 2 words. Can you find another word? Can you spot another word? I think I see one. So I'm going to write it down here. S, a. So we have s, at. Let's combine the sounds now. S, at. Have your child repeat. S, at. The word is sat. Sat. So look, 3 words after learning only 4 sounds. Isn't this amazing? Let's Read them again and have your child reread the words. At, it, sat. Your child's turn. 3 words just like that. And I'm sure there's another word. Can you spot that 4th word? This is going to be your challenge. You're going to spot that 4th word and put it in the comment section. Okay? And let's see what you come up with. So again, teaching a child to read is way easier than you think. Follow these steps, and I can guarantee you that in a matter of 1 week, yes, because each sound can be taught on a different day. So 4 sounds, 4 days. Your child can start reading from week 1. So that's in 5 days. It is possible. Give it a try and tell me all about it. Also, there is an amazing resource that you can use alongside this to assist you on the journey. It's the exact step that I showed you on this board that is used in this book. One of the brilliant things about this book is that it has embedded QR codes with video lessons. So you can have your child watch the video that deals with phonemic awareness. It teaches children how to listen to sounds, how to combine these sounds to start reading even before starting phonics, right? So this is a very, very big help, and all of these engaging activities make the reading fun, interesting, and interactive. I'm going to leave the link in the description for this book. You can get it on Amazon, or if you are in Jamaica, I'll share a number that you can call to have it mailed to you or have it sent to you. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate your time, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one as we work together to help children to become remarkable readers rapidly. Yes, they can read by age 5. Bye.